Congratulations on your purchase of the Delta Pro Homecare bed system by DeVilbiss. This versatile Delta Pro bed system features interchangeable components that create 6 unique bed configurations. To show you how easy it is to transition from one bed design to the next, we will first assemble the Delta Pro model number 15030M, a standard height semi-electric adjustable bed, and then transition to model number 15005 LPN, a low-height, 3-motor, full electric adjustable bed. Prior to assembly, please read all warnings and cautions listed in the manual and familiarize yourself with the safety symbols. It's important that you are aware of any potential hazards so that you and your healthcare team remain safe during assembly and operation of the Delta Pro bed system. Before unboxing, check that you have received the correct model number and corresponding components. Then, as a safety precaution, thoroughly inspect each package for any damage. All you need is a box opener. Once unpacked, the Delta Care home bed is designed for easy, tool-free assembly. Each Delta Pro component is color-coded depending on which bed configuration you select. Use this easy-to-follow color-coding chart and instructions to get started. Let's start with the frame assembly. You'll want to begin by removing all the components from their packaging for your selected design. Place the head and foot sections on their sides for assembly alignment. Once you've aligned the flange with the receptacle of each frame, interlock the head and foot sections by sliding the frames toward each other. Secure the frame assembly and lock into position by inserting the cotter pin. Secure the cotter pin with the attachment clasp and repeat the process on the opposite side. The motor can be installed underneath the bed or while the bed is on its side. For better visibility, we'll show you how to install it while on its side. Be sure to plug in the hand pendant into the motor prior to installing. Next, align the opening on the head end of the motor with the flange on the bed head section, then insert the flange into the motor compartment. Now do the same for the foot end section. Make sure the motor is flush with the actuator bar by snapping it into position. Then secure the motor by sliding the covers into place. Finally, carefully lay the frame down in preparation for the bed ends. Be sure the frame is secured on both sides with the cotter pins provided prior to bed end installation. To install the casters into the bed ends, insert the stem of each caster into each leg receptacle. For optimum safety, install one locking caster and one non-locking caster on each end. Next, align the corresponding bed ends to the appropriate ends of the bed frame. As you do this, make sure the shaft connector is facing the frame. Then, attach the headboard and footboard by aligning the frame mounting hooks over the bed end mounting pins. It may help to align the hooks and pin by holding the headboard or footboard at a slight angle and then straightening them as you move the pins and hooks into place. Push slide locks in place over frame hooks on both ends to help keep the frame secure. Assemble the high-low shaft by inserting one push-pin tube portion into the adjustable tube section. Insert the final pin tube portion into the adjustable tube and align the pin with the length needed for your configuration. Attach the drive shaft by connecting it to the pin of each bed end. Next, locate the power cord, plug it into a wall outlet, and then use the hand pendant to adjust the head and foot of the bed as needed. Now let's show you how to easily convert the Delta Pro standard semi-electric bed into a low linear motorized full electric bed. You can always refer back to the convenient color chart in your manual to ensure you have the correct components on hand. Be sure to unplug and remove any installed motors from the frame before proceeding with the new configuration. Slide the motor covers off and pull down to detach the motor. Remove the drive shaft prior to a new motor installation. To secure the high-low motor to the head frame assembly, attach the motor bracket to the 2 holes in the center of the frame using the twisting knobs. Attach the head actuator bar to the frame by inserting the provided pin into the hole and securing it with the pin clasp. Connect the head actuator bar to the head motor with the corresponding pin. Attach the head motor and control box to the bracket on the foot frame by aligning the motor and frame holes. Secure the motor in place using the bracket's spring twist knobs, twisting them 90 degrees. Attach the foot actuator bar to the bed frame in the same fashion and secure the foot motor to the bracket on the foot frame. Secure the motor in place using the bracket's spring twist knobs. Use the color-coded wire guides to plug each motor component into the main control box. Attach the main power cord to the control box. Attach the drive shaft by connecting to the pin of the high-low motor, then to the pin on that bed end. Next, install the protective metal rod across the foot frame. Do this directly over the motors and secure with the provided twisting knobs. Now that we've explored configuration options, let's accessorize our Delta Pro bed. Your Delta Pro system is available with both half and full-side bed rails depending on your needs. To add a mattress, adjust the bed to the flat position and lift the mattress retainer. The Delta Pro bed can accommodate a mattress up to 80 inches long and 36 inches wide. Give your loved ones the comfort and convenience of the Delta Pro bed. Visit www.drivemedical.com to explore all the possibilities with the Delta Pro Homecare bed system.